So we have our potatoes cut. Do halves because you're gonna have to lay it down flat. So make sure you cut it in halves. So my thing with the butter is I prefer to heat it on the stove as opposed to the microwave. It's personal preference. A stick. Boom. Now we're gonna do a little more. Got a stick and then a fork. See what this looks like. Think about this garlic butter. When it melts, it smells amazing. Boom. Melted herb garlic butter. So, you see the pan? Back up. Take your garlic butter you got poured. I think I might need some more butter. If you want it to go. Yeah, I'm gonna need some more. I'm gonna show you why I need some more. See, it doesn't necessarily cover the pan. So I'm gonna come back with some more garlic butter. So, come back with a little bit more garlic butter. You wanna pour enough to where it's gonna cover the bottom of the skillet. I don't know if you can see that or not. So then, you wanna get your Parmesan grated cheese. Hey, great value, man. Tastes the same. Save you a couple bucks out here these hard times. You see that? Boom. You're gonna take your Creole season. You can use any kind. I just happen to have this. Boom. Boom. Now you take your potatoes. I don't know how you say it. I guess skin side up. Boom. Boom. So all face down, skin up, face down, skin up, and then basically you just spread them across the bottom of your skillet. Now what you want to do is you want to get you some more garlic butter. That's why you need to leave just a little for this part. So we're going to microwave this little bit of garlic butter real quick. So what I did, I microwaved again with garlic butter. I don't know if you can see it. Not very much. You can't see it. But Parmesan cheese, great value. Boom, hit it with the Parmesan on the top. Need a little bit more of that. Get a little more. See, we cover it with Parmesan. Throw it in the oven. I'm gonna try 350, and then we just gonna watch it. Because what you wanna do is watch for the edges to brown. So, this part right here is a bonus. You know, this is not really part of the video, but you gotta have something to go with your potatoes. So we mess with some chicken thighs. Boom, chicken thighs. And see what I do, which is nothing amazing, but it's just a preference. I hate fat, man, for whatever reason. Fat on any meat is not appealing to me, so I always cut mine. And that fire, man, this sauce right here. Yeah, I made that though. You know, you can't even get that recipe. I done showed you the ingredients. Bet you can't figure it out. The recipe is hidden in the ruins in Aztec. Feel me? But yeah, that's a little tidbit. see the bubbles? Man, if you can smell it, man, I wish you could smell a vision. Amazing. Oh, so now you see they still bubbling. I started at 350, but I ended up, I don't see my 5 down there. Started at 350, then I ended up pushing it up to 4, and then I ended up pushing it up to 425. So I think in total I probably had it in the oven maybe 20 minutes. But here's the tester right here. Boom, that's what you want to see at the bottom. That's that Parmesan. With a little crust on there. So you see how the temperature is falling straight apart. You see how that. There we go. So yeah. Check it out.